like I'm Biggie Papa.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this cute colored bun that I've been seeing all over Instagram. Okay, so first I just took all of my hair out and I put it into a high ponytail, and this is the final ponytail. I just put it up like this so that I can shape it with the gel into the type of ponytail or the shape of the ponytail that I want. I don't really know how to word it, but hopefully you know what I mean. Okay, so next I just took whatever gel I had to slick down my ponytail. You can use whatever gel you have, but I don't really know right now at the moment what gel I was using, but I'll put it in the description box below. Okay, so next I just took a brush and brushed all of my hair into place for the ponytail, and then I took it out and I used 2 scrunchies to do my official ponytail because I feel like one is not gonna hold my hair tight enough. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. I'm tightly, just putting my hair into the ponytail with the 2 scrunchies and brushing it into place as I do so. She broke my heart to the core, so what? I guess we all gotta grow. I'm just an icon living, so I don't make a little bitch, just did it. In a few over 5 minutes, that's why in the business. I'm going straight to the top of the road. You should just feel the big take it slow. When we get up, there's nowhere to go. We can tell it, you're living the wall. Damn, look the yellow rose into a rifle. Made a hand doesn't go circle, I had this in the Bible. Wait, go keep this like Michael. Like a light bulb, not going on the penny in a Nike. Want to make a movie independent. Ain't no choice in winning. I ain't no business in the vision. All your bitches like that bitches. I'm about to clean up in the kitchen. And we make it really about the minute. I'm about to do it like this. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living. Okay, so next I just took regular braiding hair from the beauty supply store, and you could pick whatever color you want. Then I just took my hair and put it into as tight as a bun as I could. So you take the hair, right, and you take it in the middle and you take a scrunchie, and basically you act as if the hair is a ponytail and you wrap it around twice so that you can basically have like a fake ponytail for yourself, basically. I don't really know how to word it, just watch what I'm doing. I put this hair through the scrunchie and I wrapped it around twice. I suggest you wrap it around as much as you can, but I didn't do it that much because I was taking this bun right after I finished filming and I didn't want to have a hard time taking it out. But after that, you take the ponytail and you just wrap it around your bun securely. Another thing that I suggest wrapping around several times, but again, I didn't do it that many times because I wanted to be able to take it out really easily. I can't get it on my torso. Me and my gripping in the torso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Damn. Last girl signed in divorce, so what? Now I'm focused on me about the all-blow. Just trying to make the whole crowd go nuts. What? We don't know no one like you. Old girls and you dance like Michael. No eyes, misfits, no. So now, as you can see me doing, you basically just wrap the hair around in the shape of a bun as if it was your real hair. And you can take hair ties, bobby pins, whatever you feel you need to perfect the bun the way you like it. At this moment, I realized that I didn't really like this color on me that much. I was originally going to do blue, but they didn't have blue, so I just picked up blonde. But I'm going to do a bunch of colors, so it didn't really matter. Here, I just took a paddle brush that I don't use anymore because the brushes are out, and I just put some gel in it and I started doing my edges. So this is the final look. I hope you guys found this tutorial easy to follow, and please leave a like and subscribe.